talk a little bit about this season and how it ended up with you with the Hornets?
I think it was good, with my aspect of just showing what I can do, but definitely like to be in the playoffs. It wasn't, what we expected, but it is what it is.
Coming over here, when you first came over, you talked about having to wait and get your time and find your turn.
Right.
You finally got that towards the end of the season, got a lot more playing time. What
Yeah.
was working so well for you out there as you closed the season strong personally?
Well, I knew that time was coming, so I just wanted to be ready whenever my number was called, no matter what. And, I was, but it comes with a lot of preparation, in the gym, after practice, before practice, and stuff like that. So when Coach called my name, I was ready.
Always hard when you come over in a trade to try and find your role and find your niche, and it takes a little while for some time, especially for a younger guy. With a guy like Mo, who's a veteran, it's a little easier. How difficult was that to have to sit and kind of wait and bide your time?
It's part of being a professional. That's something that you have to carry, years to come. I asked Mo for advice. I follow him, some, and, he helped me out. He was big in, me being ready. So.
How much fun did you have playing here in the city of Charlotte?
I had a lot of fun. I look forward to it next year. It was just a great opportunity for me to just go out there and, do what I do. I love the fans. The Hornet. I'm glad we got the Hornets name back. So, it was just a great opportunity.
What are the things you look at that you're going to build on in the offseason heading into next season?
Being more physical on the defensive end, shooting the ball extremely well, and, ball handling, and getting stronger as Coach wants me to do so.
Cool.